Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. How to write and name the anionic complexes. In the previous video, we have discussed how to write and name cationic complexes. This is how to write and name anionic complexes. Before write the anionic complexes, first of all, we should know what are the central metal ions we are going to use here. One is monopositive Ag plus 1 and monopositive Au plus 1. Coordination number of this complex of these central metal ions are 2. Copper 2 plus ion, nickel 2 plus ion, Zn 2 plus ion, platinum 2 plus ion, coordination number equal to 4. Nickel we have 4 plus and platinum 4 plus, palladium 4 plus we have. But if they are 4 plus, the oxidation state equal to 6. Remember this word. Under 3 plus ion we have cobalt 3 plus, chromium 3 plus, iron 3 plus, ferric ion and ferrous ion Fe2 plus, coordination number equal to 6. Then some of the monodentate negative ligand I am going to write here. Monodentate indicate that the word indicate there is only one donor atom in this complex. Monodentate negative ligand. Monodentate negative ligand. Monodentate negative ligand. All the ions name we know, but here the ligand's name we should know to give the IUPAC name of the complex. Monodentate negative ligand. What are they? All you know as ion. Now I am going to give the ligand name. F minus fluorido, chlorido, bromido, iodido, hydroxido. Simple example I have given. Then monodentate ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand also it is a monodentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand. 3 example I give for this ambidentate ligand. What is ambidentate ligand? Same molecular formula. Ligands having same molecular formula, but donor atom is different. That is called ambidentate ligand. What are they? Cn minus, Nc minus. Both the ligand name is given as same, Cn, Nc minus. This is cyanido and this is also cyanido. Where it differ? In the donor atom it differ. In cyanido, carbon is the donor atom. In cyanido, second Nc minus, nitrogen is the donor atom. That donor atom is also indicated in the name. This is cyanido kappa capital C. This C is donor atom. Cyanido kappa N. N is donor atom. Like this. 2 more ligands, ambidentate ligands. NO2 minus, ONO minus. Both the ligand name is nitrito nitrito. This is also nitrito. Nitrito, nitrito. In NO2 minus, the donor atom is nitrogen, and in ONO, the donor atom is oxygen. First one is written as nitrito, kappa, capital N, N is the donor atom. Nitrito, kappa, O, oxygen is the donor atom. Like that. There is one more ambidentate ligand, that is SCN minus, SCN minus, NCS minus. Donor atom in SCN minus is sulfur and donor atom is nitrogen. Both the names are same, ligand names are same. Cyanido, cyanido, kappa S and cyanido, kappa N. Cyanido, kappa S and cyanido, kappa N. So these are ambidentate, negative monodentate ligand. Come to negative bidentate ligand. You know what is bidentate? The ligands containing two donor atom. Bidentate, bi means two, dentate means donate, bidentate, negative ligand. All these are negative ligand. Negative ligands. All the ionic name you name, you know all the ionic name. But here we are going to use ligand name. We are going to use ligand name. Now, first one is SO4 2 minus ion. SO4 2 minus ion. CO3 2 minus ion. S 2 minus ion. All these are bidentate. COO minus, COO minus. All are bidentate. What is the name of this bidentate ligand? Negative bidentate ligand? Sulfato. Sulfato. Carbonato. Sulfido. Sulfido. Oxalato, sulfido, oxalato. All these form one ligand, form two bonds with the central metal ion. Then one more thing is, if you want to write anionic complex, the complex containing negative ligand or more number of negative ligand. Remember always this. If you want to write a complex with negative charge, anionic complex, you should use the ligand as negative ligands or more number of negative ligand. Now, we are going to write number of anionic complexes. After writing, we are going to name it. Now, I am going to write a number of negative anionic complexes. First, starting with the monodentate, not monodentate, mono positive silver plus. Ag plus coordination number 2. To get anionic complex, we have to use negative ligand here or more number of negative ligand. Cn, 1 Cn 1 minus, 2 Cn 2 minus. When you add these two, you will get minus 1 on the complex. That minus 1 is neutralized by adding the counter ion potassium. Plus counter ions, you can use 3 ions. K plus alkali metal, sodium plus alkali metal, or from alkaline earth metal, calcium 2 plus you can use. These are the counter ion used before the anionic complex. Potassium, 1 potassium, 1 plus. Finally, we have to cross that valency. Thus, that one is here, this one is there. Complex is neutralized. After writing all the negative complexes, I will balance. I will write the name of the IUPAC name of the complex. Now start with the same Ag plus coordination number 2. So here we can use oxalato C2O4. One oxalato form 2 bonds with Ag plus. Because C2O4 is a bidentate ligand, Cn is a monodentate ligand, therefore 2 ligands we have added. C2O4 is a bidentate ligand. One ligand form how many bonds? 2 bonds with the central metal ion. One oxalato charge is 2 minus. When you add these two, you will get minus 1 on the complex. This is your anionic complex. That minus 1 is neutralized by adding sodium Na plus 1, this one should be written here, that one is here. Complex is neutralized. Then again start with another monopositive Au plus gold plus. Coordination number 2, one negative ligand, another negative ligand you can use. One Cl and another one Br you can use. One chlorine, 1 minus, one bromine, 1 minus, coordination number 2, both are monodentate ligand. When you add all these charges, you will get minus 1. You have to add here 1 plus 1. No need to add plus 1. So with the minus 1, how we are going to write the name? That I will explain. Come to dipositive ion. Start with the square bracket. Copper 2 plus, copper 2 plus. Now coordination number of copper 2 plus is 4. In this, now I am adding OH minus ion. Hydroxido, the name is hydroxido. 1 OH, 1 minus, 4 OH, 4 minus. When you add these two, you will get minus 2 on the complex. That minus 2 is replaced by plus 2. Or simply put potassium. There is no need to add calcium here, but we have to cross that valency. That 2 should be written here, this one should be written here. K2CuOH 4 times. Come to another complex. Same copper 2 plus, copper 2 plus. Instead of writing all the monodentate ligand, now we can use one bidentate ligand. CO3 carbonato is a bidentate ligand. One ligand form 2 bonds with the copper. Therefore, 2 ligands form 4 bond with the copper. 1 carbonato 2 minus, 2 carbonato 4 minus. When you add these two, you will get minus 2 on the complex, that is neutralized by adding 1 positive ion. 1 calcium 2 plus alkaline earth metal. When you cross that oxidation state, that 2 is here, this 2 is there. Now 2 get cancelled. Molecular formula is Cu2 plus CO3 twice. Now one more. Bidentate ligand I am going to use with the another central metal ion nickel 2 plus coordination number 4. Here I am using oxalato C2O4. Oxalato is a bidentate negative ligand. One oxalato form 2 bond, therefore 2 oxalato form 4 bond because nickel coordination number is 4 here. 1 oxalato 2 minus, 2 oxalato 4 minus. When you add these two, you will get minus 2 on the complex. That is neutralized by adding a positive ion before the complex Na plus 1. When you cross that valency, that 2 is here, this 1 is there. Na2, Ni, C2O4 twice. Now I am going to use mixture of ligands, negative ligands and also neutral ligand. Take the Zn2 plus as the central metal ion, coordination number equal to 4. Coordination number 4 is now divided into 3 plus 1. If you want to get negative charge on the complexes, you should use all the ligands as negative ligands or more number of negative ligand. What is the negative ligand we are going to use? For example, I. One neutral ligand you can use H2O. Total coordination number equal to 4. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 1 iodine 1 minus, 3 iodine 3 minus. Aqua neutral ligand 0. When you add these two, you will get minus 1 on the complex. That minus 1 is neutralized by adding plus 1. When you cross that valency, that one is here, this one is there. Complex is obtained. Again you divide by use of bidentate ligand and monodentate ligand Zn2 plus coordination number 4. Now I am using here one bidentate ligand. What is the name of, what is the molecular formula for bidentate negative ligand? Sulfato, carbonato, sulfato, oxalato, C2O4. 1 oxalato, 2 minus, therefore third bond, fourth bond occupied by other ligand. Here I am using one more negative ligand, Cn. Then you can use one neutral ligand. So what is the condition? If you want to get the negative charge on the coordination sphere, you have to use all the ligands as negative ligand or more number of negative ligand. 1 oxalato, 2 minus, 2 bonds are formed, Cn minus 1, aqua 0. Add all these charges, you will get minus 1 on this pair. That minus 1 is no need to add positive charge here. We will write the name. And I have to tell how to write the name of these complexes. Don't worry. Now, come to other complexes with the same bidentate ligand. Using the bidentate ligand, how to write the anionic complexes. Starting from one more central metal ion, platinum 2 plus. Number of ligand you can use, sulfato, SO4. SO4 is a bidentate ligand, so two bonds are over. Third bond you can use NC, different ligand we have to use. R1, NO2, both these two ligands are ambidentate ligand. Platinum 2 plus coordination number 4. Coordination number means total number of chemical bonds formed between central metal ion and ligand. Total number of chemical bonds formed between central metal ion and the ligands. Here 2 bond, third bond, fourth bond. Sulfate is 2 minus ion, cyanido minus 1, nitrito minus 1. And all these charges you will get 2 minus on the complex. Put here 1 positive ion, Na, counter ion, 1 sodium, 1 plus. That 2 is here, this one is there. You will get a complex. Starting from same platinum 2 plus, now we can use 2 bidentate ligand, platinum 2 plus, 1 bidentate ligand, CO3, bidentate ligand, CO3 2 minus ion, and 1 oxalato, C2O4. This is oxalato, bidentate ligand, form 2 bond, carbonato, bidentate ligand, form 2 bond. So totally 4 bonds are over. Carbonato is a 2 minus, oxalato is a 2 minus. When you add all this, you will get 2 minus on the complexes, that is neutralized by adding 1 plus calcium. Calcium, alkaline earth metal, always last 2 electron, 2 becomes noble gas electronic configuration. That 2 is here, this 2 is there, 2 get cancelled. Correct? Then come to mixed type of ligand with, for example, copper, Cu is a 2 plus ion. We are going to use all monodentate ligand. Coordination number 4. 1 monodentate, another monodentate, third monodentate, fourth monodentate. More number of all the ligands are negative ligand or more number of negative ligand. Cn, Nc, NO2, ONO. Complex containing ambidentate ligand. All these are ambidextrous ligands. Cn minus 1, Nc minus 1, NO2 minus 1, ONO minus 1. When you add all these, you will get 2 minus on the complex, that is neutralized by adding 1 potassium plus. Potassium is plus 1, that 2 is here, this 1 is there. You will get a complex, anionic complex. Then come to coordination number 6, cobalt, 3 plus ion. Coordination number 6, first write monodendate ligand, 6 monodendate ligand. OH minus, negative ligand. 1 OH, 1 minus, 6 OH, 6 minus. When you add these two, you will get 3 minus on the complex, that is neutralized by adding 1 sodium. Is a monopositive. Cross the valency, that 3 is here, this 1 is there. Correct? Then come to another complex, CO 3 plus, cobalt 3 plus. Now you can divide these 6, coordination number 6 into 5 plus 1. 5 negative ligand, 1 maybe negative ligand or neutral ligand. Here I am using Cl and here I am using H2O. 1 chlorine 1 minus, 5 chlorine 5 minus, aqua 0. When you add these two, you will get minus 2 on the complex. That minus 2 is neutralized by adding 1 calcium 2 plus, this 2 is here, that 2 is here, 2 get cancelled, you will get the complex. And chromium, the central metal ion, Cr3 plus. Coordination number 6, now the coordination number is divided into 4 plus 2, all these are monodendate ligand. Any monodendate you can use I or here Br. 1 iodine 1 minus, 4 iodine 4 minus, 1 bromine 1 minus, 2 bromine 2 minus. When you add all these, 6 minus 3 plus gives 3 minus, that is neutralized by adding calcium is a 2 plus ion, cross the valency, that 3 is here, this 2 is there. One more complexes with the different ligands, starting from the central metal ion, Fe, chromium 3 plus. Now I am going to use the bidentate ligand, C2O4 oxalato twice. How many bonds are over? 1 oxalato, 2 bond, 2 oxalato, 4 bonds are over. 5th bond is occupied by iodine, 6th bond maybe neutral ligand, NH3 you can add. 1 oxalato, 2 minus, 2 oxalato, 4 minus, 1 iodido minus 1, amine 0. Add all these charges, you will get minus 2 on the complexes. Therefore, here put a counter ion potassium plus, that 2 is here, this 1 is there. Like this, we can write more number of complexes. So far, we didn't take that ion Fe3 plus and Fe2 plus, that we are going to use. Other bidentate mixed ligands also we can use. Taking for an example, cobalt 3 plus ion, 1 bidentate ligand oxalato, another 1 bidentate ligand sulfato. 1 oxalato 2 bond, another sulfato 2 bond, 4 bonds are over. Then 5th bond NO2, 6th bond any aqua ligand, these two are monodendate, these two are bidentate. 1 oxalato 2 minus, sulfato 2 minus, nitrito minus 1, aqua neutral ligand 0. Add these two, you will get 2 minus on the complex by adding Na, monopositive. This 1 is here, that 2 is here. Now come to ion complexes. By using Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus, we are going to write number of complexes. Fe2 plus, coordination number 6. Coordination number 6. A simple complex, oftenly used complex, coordination number 6, Cn. 1 Cn 1 minus 6 Cn 6 minus, when you add these two you will get 4 minus on the complex, that is neutralized by adding potassium 1 plus, that 4 is here, this 1 is there, K4 FeCN6, common name is potassium ferrocyanide. Now starting with Fe 3 plus, same cyano complex Cn, coordination number 6, 1 Cn 1 minus 6 Cn 6 minus, when you add these two you will get 3 minus, so that is neutralized by adding potassium 1 plus, potassium oxidation state should be written here, that complex 3 minus, that 3 is here, this is common name potassium ferricyanide. Mixed ligand we are going to write with Fe3 plus and Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus coordination number 6, Cl2, Br2, I2, all these are monodendate. 1 chlorine 1 minus, 2 chlorine 2 minus, 2 bromine 2 minus, 2 iodine 2 minus. Charge on the coordination sphere is here 6 minus, 4 minus. So calcium we can use, 1 calcium is a 2 plus ion, that 4 is here, this 2 is there. Now we can cancel 2 and 4, 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. One more complex with Fe3 plus ion, a mixed ligand, Fe3 plus ion, coordination number 6. Oxalato C2O4 is a bidentate ligand. Sulfato SO4 2 minus, bidentate ligand. Carbonato bidentate ligand. So here 2 bond with the central metal ion, another 2 bond, totally 6 bonds are over. Oxalato 2 minus, sulfato 2 minus and carbonato 2 minus. When you add all these charges, you will get 6 minus plus 3 plus 3 minus. No need to add here positive. You will give name. Now, how to name, how to write the IUPAC name of these complexes? As usual, how do you name HCl? Positive ion name first, followed by the negative ion. Like that. By naming the positive ion name first, followed by the negative ion. As usual, in the cationic complexes, Cl, chlorido, bromido, iodido, their numbers are indicated by the prefix. 2 means di, 3 means tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa. In the ambidentate ligand, like cyanido, the donor atom must be indicated with kappa C or kappa N. And very most important point, in the anionic complexes, the name of central metal ion end with 8. Name of central metal ion end with 8. Actual name, not iron, ferrum, ferrate, Ag, argentate, Au, aurate, Cu, cuprate, cobalt, cobaltate, if the complex is anionic complex. Chromium, chromate, platinum, platinate, nickel, nickelate. If the anionic complex is anionic complex, the actual symbolic name, actual name of the central metal ion end with 8. Ferrate, cuprate, nickelate, aluminate, zincate, cuprate, aurate, argentate. Like that we have to give the name. Now you are going to give name of so far discussed the anionic complexes. Okay, come to the first complex. Cation name first. What is our cation? Potassium. Start with the caps. Potassium, potassium. Now come to the negative ion. Negative ion is a complex ion. First ligand name first. Cn is ambidentate ligand. How many ligand? 2. Therefore, diene cyanido kappa C. Did C indicate carbon is the donor atom. It is an anionic complex, therefore actual name of Ag is argendum. So argendate. What is the oxidation state? 1. Argendate 1. 8. Argendate. Come to second complex. The cation is sodium. First letter caps sodium. Our ligand is oxalato. Only one oxalato. Therefore, simply you can write oxalato. Anionic complex. Therefore, the central metal ion name is argendate. Oxidation number 1. Silver oxidation number 1. That oxidation number should be written in Roman numerals. Come to third compound. There is no plus here, but there is a negative charge on these complexes. Therefore, when you enter into the coordination sphere, Br, bromido and chlorido are present. According to alphabets, B is first followed by C. Therefore, first ligand we have to write caps bromido. And second ligand chlorido. It is a negative complex. Therefore, central metal ion name, actual name, Rm, end with ATE, R8. Oxidation state 1, Roman numeral. So, here name end with ion. Now, there is a positive ion here. So, starting with the potassium. Come to the coordination sphere. Ligand name first. We have hydroxido. How many hydroxido? 4 hydroxido. Therefore, potassium tetra hydroxido. Actual name of copper is cuprum. Cuprum. But it is an anionic complex. Therefore, actual name cuprum end with cuprate. Oxidation state 2. Then the next complex, copper complex, how to name it? First cation name first with the caps calcium. Carbonato, bidentate ligand, how many carbonato? 2 carbonato, therefore diene carbonato. Copper oxidation state 2+. So, actual anionic complex, therefore actual name of Cu is cuprum, name end with 8, cuprate, oxidation state 2. Calcium dicarbonato, cuprate 2. Positive ion, here is sodium, Then, when you enter into the complex, the ligand name first. What is our ligand? Oxalato. How many ligand? 2. Therefore, dioxalato. Anionic complex, central metal ion, nickel, name end with 8, nickelate. What is oxidation state? 2, nickelate 2. Then come to next 2 complexes. The cation name first. Potassium. We have 2 ligand. One is iodido, another one is aqua. So, A is first. Aqua. Tri. Iodido. Triiodido. Negative complex, anionic complex. Our central metal ion is zinc. Actual name is zinc. Name end with 8. Zingate. Because it is an anionic complex. In an anionic complex, the central metal ion name end with 8. Then oxidation state 2. There is no plus here, but coordination sphere is minus. Therefore, this is oxalato O, cyanido kappa C, amine A. Which one is first? A is first. So, write the name amine. Cn, cyanido. It is an ambidentate ligand. The donor atom is carbon, kappa C. One oxalato we have, oxalato. Anionic complex, name end with 8, zingate. Oxidation state 2. It is not neutralized by positive ion, therefore the name end with ion. Amine, cyanido, kappa C, oxalato, zingate 2. Now other complexes we are going to name. The next complex is cation, sodium, therefore start with the caps sodium. How many ligands we have? Sulfato, cyanido, kappa N, cyanido, C, nitrito, C first, then N, then S. Cyanido, it is an ambidentate ligand, cyanido. Kappa, what is the donor atom? Kappa, donor atom N. Then one more ambidentate ligand, nitrito. Kappa, what is the donor atom? N. Kappa, donor atom N. Sulfato. Central metal ion, platinum, it is an anionic complex, therefore central metal ion name end with 8. Sulfato, platinate. What is the oxidation state of platinum? 2. The next complex, again platinum complex. Cation is calcium. We have two ligands, one is carbonato, another one is oxalato. C is first, bidentate ligand. Carbonato, oxalato, central metal ion, anionic complex, therefore platinate, name end with 8, oxidation state is 2. Then we have number of ligand in this complex. This is cyanido, kappa C, cyanido, kappa N. So this one is first, this one is second. Then among the two nitrito, kappa N, nitrito, kappa O. So N is first and O is second. Now cation is potassium, first ligand. Cyanido, kappa C, cyanido, ambidentate ligand. Kappa C, then again cyanido, kappa N, donor atom N. Come to nitrito. N is first, then O is second. N, nitrito, kappa N, then another ligand. Nitrito, kappa O, donor atom O. Central metal ion, anionic complex, actual name of Cu is cuprum, therefore name end with cuprate, oxidation state is 2. Sodium, here we have sodium, therefore sodium, positive cation name first followed by anion is our coordination sphere. Our ligand is hydroxido. How many ligands? 6 ligands. Therefore hydroxido. Cobalt anionic complex, therefore name end with cobaltate. Oxidation state of cobaltate is 3. Roman numeral we have to indicate the name. Come to other 3 complexes in this paper. So one is cation is our calcium, starting with the caps calcium. We have chlorido and aqua. A is first, therefore aqua. How many chlorido? 5 chlorido. So pentachlorido. pentachlorido. Cobalt anionic complex, so name end with ate, cobaltate. Oxidation state of cobalt in this complex is 3. Come to the next complex, chromium complex. What is our cation? Our cation is calcium, starting with caps, calcium. Come to ligands, bromido, iodido. According to alphabets, B is first. How many bromido we have? 2 bromido. Therefore, bromido. How many iodido? 4. Tetraiodido. What is the central metal ion? Chromium. It is an anionic complex. Therefore, name is chromate. Name is chromate. Oxidation state of chromium in this complex is 3. Now, cation is potassium, starting with caps, potassium. Come to the ligand. This is amine, iodido, oxalato. A first, I second, O third. Only one amine, therefore amine. No need to add mono. Only one iodine, iodido. Then how many oxalato? 2 oxalato. Dioxalato. What is the central metal? Chromium, anionic complex. Therefore, name of the central metal ion end with 8, chromate. What is the oxidation state? 3. Chromate 3. Come to other complexes. This complex containing more number of ligand, starting with the cation, first sodium. Which one is first? Aqua, nitrito, kappa N, sulfato, oxalato. ANOS, order of the ligand. Only one aqua we have, therefore aqua. Then N, nitrito, ambidentate ligand. Kappa N, donor atom. O, oxalato, only one oxalato we have, therefore oxalato. Another one ligand is sulfato. Central metal ion cobalt, anionic complex, therefore name end with 8. Cobaltate. Oxidation state of central metal ion is 3. Come to other complexes. We have cation, potassium. This is our counter ion. How many cyanido? Hexacyanido, ambidentate ligand, kappa C. Fe, anionic complex, actual name of Fe is ferrum. Therefore, ferrate, name end with 8, ferrate. Oxidation state of Fe in this complex is 2, therefore ferrate. Come to the next complex, starting with cation, potassium. Name as like before, hexacyanido, ambidentate ligand, donor atom C, hexacyanido, kappa C. Ferrate, oxidation state equal to 3. Come to the last two complexes, cation, calcium. Here bromido, chlorido, iodido. All ligands are present as di. So first ligand dibromido. Then next ligand C, dichlorido according to alphabets. B is first, C second, then Diiodido, iodido. Iron anionic complex, actual name is ferrum. Therefore, here name end with ferrate. Ferrate. What is oxidation state? 2-way. The last complex. Here only anion. There is no cation here. So straight away C first, O second, S third. Bidentate ligand carbonato. Carbonato. O second, oxalato. All these are bidentate ligand. Sulfato. Sulfato. Central metal ion Fe. Anionic complex. Therefore, name end with ferrate. Ferrate. What is oxidation state? 3. Ferrate 3. Negative ion. Therefore, ion. It is not neutralized by plus ion. Therefore, the name end with ion. So, this is about the naming, writing and naming of anionic complexes. In the next video, we will discuss about the IUPAC name of commonly all complexes. How to write and name all the coordination complexes with more number of examples we will discuss. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.